You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on how to create a project using AI from scratch. On your project page, you're going to click New Project and then choose Create with AI. Here you get to choose one of three main types: a form, a survey, or a quiz. For this tutorial, we're going to go for the survey. And of course, when you use this for yourself, you use your website and your resources. The reason why you input your address here is so that Involve Me can get the logos, the colors, the brand identity of your website, of your brand, and automatically create a survey, in this case, for you from scratch. And next, you're going to describe the purpose of your survey and include mandatory questions and topics you would like the AI to generate. This is going to be my prompt. I would like to create a survey that gauges the satisfaction of my users with my services. I want them to be able to provide feedback and suggest improvements. Users have to fill in a contact form at the end using the email address which they use for Slack. Include at least 5 different questions related to satisfaction. And I'm going to click Generate. I'm going to wait a few seconds. As you can see, no cuts in real time. It only takes a moment. And just like that, my survey is done. Once the survey is generated, I could even choose a different style. There are plenty to choose from, but I like the first one that it gave me. And then I'm going to scroll through the pages that the AI generated to see if I'm satisfied with the result. How would you rate your overall experience with Slack? Which features do you use the most often in Slack? And as you can see, it was even able to pull the features of Slack and include them as options, as answer options right here. How satisfied are you with the user interface of Slack on a scale of 1 to 5? How responsive do you find our customer support on a scale of 1 to 5? How easy it was to set up Slack for your team? Again, all very intuitive questions about Slack, a contact form with everything I asked for, and thank you for your feedback, a nice thank you page at the end. And I'm actually really happy with the result. As you can see, just with a simple block of text and a little bit of time, I was able to generate a full customer satisfaction survey. If I wasn't satisfied, I could click on retry. The AI would generate a new survey for me, or I can click on use it for free. Then I'm taken to the editor and I can adjust and fine-tune everything that the AI has created in case there would be anything that I would need to adjust. And at this point, it essentially behaves just like any other project would within Involve Me. And just like that, you're ready to create your first AI project with Involve Me. For more support, go to help.involve.me. Good luck getting involved.